If your front lamp is mounted here, remove the 3 screws first. Then remove the long bolt here. Install the front rack. Use a wrench and an Allen key to tighten then. Slightly loosen the wrap of the cables. Reinstall the top screw and bottom screw here. Use an Allen key to tighten them. Then install the middle one. Use an Allen key to tighten it. Put the front lamp through the rack. Aim the hole on the rack. Loosen the pre-installed screw on the rack. Put the screw through the rack hole. Use a wrench and an Allen key to tighten it. Don't forget to wrap back here. Loosen the screws on the controller box. Loosen the lower screw on the rear fork. You can get 2 long screws and 2 short screws. Reinstall the 2 short screws on the controller box. Reinstall the 2 long screws on the rear fork.